Module 6, Test Taking. Module 6, Test Taking, will focus on strategies to improve test performance, overcome test anxiety, and use HonorLock. In the Module 6 overview, the objectives are as follows. The learner will be able to recognize the importance of tests in college for your overall grade, describe how test taking works in college, in class, and online, and learn how to be best prepared to take tests. Like earlier models, Module 6 consists of study activities and assessments. To begin, navigate to Module 6 Study Activities. First, view the video titled How to Overcome Test Anxiety. The video is embedded into Blackboard, so just press play to begin. The video runs 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Once you have viewed the video, move down to 14 Steps for Test Taking Success. Click on the underlined title. The website will open in a new tab and you will scroll down to read through the steps for test taking success. There are 2 sets of 7 steps. 7 best strategies for test prep and 7 best test taking tips for success on test day. As an addition, you should also review the 4 ways to cope with test taking anxiety at the bottom of the page. Once you have reviewed all of the steps, close the tab and return to Blackboard. Navigate to HonorLock at IRSC. HonorLock is an extension that ensures a secure test-taking environment on your computer. To get started with HonorLock, click on the underlined title. The HonorLock Remote Proctoring Service website will open in a new tab. Review the information provided on the requirements of online testing. Note that all IRSC online classes require verification of your identification. A desktop computer or laptop with working webcam and microphone is required in all online classes. With HonorLock, students can take tests online 24/7. A desktop computer or laptop with a working webcam and microphone are required to take the online exams with HonorLock. HonorLock is fully integrated into Blackboard, so you can access HonorLock from Blackboard without having to create a new user ID and password. Your information is automatically imported into the HonorLock system for the classes you are taking. The full system requirements are listed on this page, so make sure that your computer meets those requirements. You will need a desktop or laptop computer, a working webcam, a working microphone, a stable internet connection, the Google Chrome web browser, updated Windows or Mac operating systems, JavaScript and cookies enabled, and a private room or area with no distractions. You will also need a valid photo ID to take a test. This can be a current government-issued ID, such as a driver's license, a current IRSC ID card, or a current high school ID card. Your ID must not be broken, cut, taped, or expired, and your name on your ID must match your name on your IRSC school registration. Below are several resources for students to familiarize themselves with HonorLock. Scroll down to view the resource videos on tips for success, getting started, and how to complete an HonorLock room scan. If you are having difficulty with HonorBlock, be sure to reach out to the technical support team 24/7 at the contact information provided on the bottom of the web page. After viewing and familiarizing yourself with the HonorLock requirements and resources, return to Blackboard and navigate to Module 6 Assessments. To complete the assessments, you will need to complete the Module 1 to 6 HonorBlock exams. To begin, click on the underlined title, Module 1 through 6 Test. The system will check to see if you are using Google Chrome. If not, a link is provided for you to download Chrome onto your computer. Note that the Begin button is grayed out, which means that you cannot click on it unless you are in Google Chrome. If you need to download Chrome, clicking on the Download Chrome button will open a new tab. This tab will include a link for you to download Google Chrome onto your computer. Follow the download and install instructions, and then log into Blackboard on Chrome using your regular IRSC credentials. Return to Module 6 and click on Module 1 through 6 Test. You may see a notification that an extension is required. Click to agree to the terms of service and then select the Get Started button. The HonorLock extension will open in a new tab. In the upper right-hand corner, select Add to Chrome and then confirm to add the extension. You will get a confirmation that the extension has been added. Once again, return to Module 6 in Blackboard and click on Module 1 through 6 Test. Now you will see that you are able to begin the test and that Honor Block is enabled. Click Begin to start the test. After clicking Begin, you will see a screen that will ask you to confirm your data collection for Honor Block. You can click on the privacy notice for more information, otherwise accept the terms and continue to system check. On the next screen, run System Check. This verifies that you are able to run Honor Block on your computer. After the system check has been completed, scroll down on the page to see the exam guidelines. It will give you a list of what is allowed and what is not allowed. Then you will need to authenticate your identity. Remember that you need your photo ID, a profile picture, screen sharing enabled, and a quiet room with no distractions. Click on Begin Authentication. A new pop-up window will open and direct you to close any windows or tabs that you may have open. This ensures that you are not able to navigate to any other websites while taking the proctored exam. Additionally, if you have an ad blocker installed, you will need to disable it for now. You can always enable it again when you have completed the test. Select Close tabs and extensions if there are any. You will then be reminded that during the exam, you will not be able to open any new browser tabs or windows, resize the test page window, or use any other applications besides the test page. Click Continue, review the privacy details, and click I understand. Honor Block will request access to your camera and microphone. Click Allow, and then when prompted, center your face in the frame and select Take Photo. Note that for this example, a placeholder picture has been edited into the video. You will need to show your real face when you are taking the exam. After your picture has been accepted, you will need to verify your ID. Follow the instructions to ensure your area is well lit, that you are using an acceptable ID, and that your name matches the name you have registered with. Hold your photo ID up to your webcam and position it into the frame. Then click Take ID Photo. Once again, for this example, a placeholder image has been edited into the video. You must use your real ID when taking your exam. After your ID is verified, you will need to do a room scan. Click Continue, then click Start Room Scan and rotate your webcam in a full 360-degree circle to scan. Then click I'm done. You will have an opportunity to review your scan and either retry or accept. Again, for this example video, a placeholder image has been edited in. You will need to scan your real testing area. Finally, once you have verified your room scan, you will be asked to share your screen. Click Continue, select your screen, and then click Share. You are now ready to begin your exam. Select Focus Test Window and then select Start Exam. Work through your exam, and then, when you have completed it, click Save and Submit, and you will be able to review your grade. Note that you will have to repeat the verification process each time you take a new exam or start a new submission to retake an exam if permitted. If you have any technical difficulties, please be sure to reach out to tech support. You can use the information that was on the Honor Lock resource page we viewed earlier, or you can click on the purple chat button in the lower right-hand corner, enter your name and Indian River State College, and then click Start the Chat to connect with support. Thank you for viewing Ready for the Rivers Guide to Module 6 Test Taking.